So this door doesn't latch correctly. Means it's a little bit off, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. The first thing I do is close it, take my razor blade, and I place it right under where the door engages with the plate. And I leave that against the wall, and I kind of take a look at where that is. So we're about 1/4 of an inch off. So I'm going to remove this plate, and I'm going to chisel out 1/4 of an inch. This time I actually mark it on the wall. Like that. So I'm taking a chisel and a hammer. Now it looks pretty rough in there, but you test the door. Yay! And now you sand it out. Because the faceplate is now going to sit lower than this little ledge, I'm gonna have to carve out a ledge, but you kind of want to just see where it will land, and I'm going to take a pencil and trace that, and that's where I know where to carve. So now this faceplate is going to be sitting lower like this. The screw that goes into the top here, I'm going to use a longer one that will unfortunately go into drywall, it looks like. But that's okay because this will be secure with the piece going into the wood, and then I caulk around the edges almost like a way to glue it. Once the plate is on, and it stays forever. I was actually able to angle this screw up into wood, which makes it even sturdier. Caulked around these edges, I'll paint them, and now, ta-da!